What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a video regarding what to get for her. I know that it's a little complicated to get a girl. I'm a girl, and if you're a guy or a girl trying to get a gift for another girl, this is the video. So don't forget to stay tuned and watch the whole video for all these great things that I think she will actually love. And we have Luna here. Say hi, Luna. We have my little baby Luna here, and she just wanted to stop by and say hello to you and wish everyone a happy holiday. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so the first thing I really want to show you is this Fenty Beauty palette. I'll be opening it for you guys can see. I think this is a great type of gift. You don't have to get this specific one. I think that any type of palette for someone who loves makeup will do justice. Especially like the big name brands such as like Fenty, I don't know, the Kim K palette, or Natasha Denona. Although Natasha Denona is very expensive, I think this palette was pretty affordable. It was like, I think like 40 bucks. So, and I want to show you all the beautiful colors. These are all the colors, and the front is very, very pretty. And I think having something like this for a gift will make a great gift. Okay guys, so the next thing I picked up was this looking like a snack. This is from the company Caja. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it comes with a blush, with a stamp blush. It comes with a highlighter, with a lip, and the eyeshadow trio. This is the one I personally used, and I got this one to give it away. I think that having all little things that they can use all together for one look will make it a great thing for them to have. And also if they want to travel, they can take this little box and it'll be great for them. Also, one more thing, the trio here are glitter, and it makes such beautiful eye looks that I think every girl is going to love. So keep in mind when you guys want to get something for someone, especially for a girl, they're gonna love this, and if it's a guy, I'm sure they will love it as well. And this was a great option for her. So the next item I got was this Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze. I know these, especially this packaging, is beautiful. Especially I know that these have been great and they have gotten great reviews. Also, especially when you guys get something for someone, make sure you check the reviews. You don't want to get a palette or a makeup product that does not have great reviews. Look how pretty this is. This is so pretty. And also I got this to give it away, and look at that color. Ooh, I think this is a perfect highlighter, and it's so pretty. It even has the hot pink button to open, and this one is in the color 82 Jet Girl, and this was around $50. Something I really want to show you guys is this product, the Soap and Glory. I know this is the happy birthday one. They do have a Christmas one which has a lot of more things in it, like face masks. It has foot creams and stuff like that. This company is amazing. I literally have like a bunch of their products, and it's amazing. I use their body wash, which this one comes with the body wash, comes with the loofah, and this one right here. It's amazing. I bought this one for one of my cousins for her birthday, but I'll probably be getting also the Christmas set because this company is so great. I know their cream is like, this one right here is like $13, which is a little expensive, but it will last long. And also George uses that, and I got one for my cousin and I got one for George, even though it's not his birthday, but he definitely uses this and the loofah, and I can use this one here. So keep an eye for these boxes. They're amazing and they're a great deal. I paid like $20, and I know right now they're buy one get one half off in some like Walgreens or Walmart. I'm not sure. I know I got this one in Walgreens, but I know Rite Aid has. So definitely check them out, and I know definitely Target carries these, so check them out. Another item that I think will be great for a girl would be this flower bomb. This one is the limited edition, but you can get any of the flower bombs. This one is so pretty. It comes with this little like tassel that has, if you can see, has glitter and like snowflakes. I think it's so pretty and it smells amazing. If I can show you guys how many I have, I literally have this one, I have the nectar one, I have the flower bomb one, and I have, I don't know which one this is, also the other one with the different design, and I even have the hair mist. I think it smells so delicious, as you can tell, and this is a great present, especially with that beautiful thing, and it's also limited edition. This one I think I picked it up in Sephora, or my dad gave it to me. I'm not sure, one of those two, but they do range around $100. So this will be like a one thing for someone really special, especially if you have to get things for a lot of people. You don't want to get like 5 of these for every single person, because that's like $500. But if it's someone like a best friend or girlfriend or someone that is really close to you, I think they will really appreciate something like that. I do also like the Mademoiselle from Chanel, but I really cannot afford that. That's like $150. No, I'm lying. It's like $250, I think, or $200. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know it's like 200 something, especially the new one that came out. It smells amazing, and that's definitely on my list, but it is a little expensive. Maybe if I get some gift cards, I will end up purchasing that, but for now I am loving this one, and I think this will be a great gift for a girl or a special someone. Another great gift for someone can be this one is the Balance Babies from Ole Henriksen Mattifying Oil Control Set. Especially if you know someone who is oily, I think this is a great product for them. It has a pore balance facial sauna scrub, a cold plunge pore mask, balancing force oil control toner, and oil control hydrator. So it does tell you all the stuff they have. It looks like a pretty watermelon, but I know Ole Henriksen is, did I even say that right? But I know that their products are amazing. Obviously, I am combination skin. My face is not oily, so I'll be giving this one away. And yeah. One of the products that I did pick up for myself a long time ago, and they still have it in Sephora, is this Bum Bum Carnival Shimmer. It's a Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and it comes with the pretty candle. I think I opened it. Let's see if I opened it. Oh, it's still here. Okay. It's so pretty, especially someone that loves culture. I think I just like love the box. Like I could just keep the box, but also it smells so good, guys. You have no idea how good this smells. It comes with the candle and the Bum Bum cream, and I think this is something really cute to give to someone who loves lotions and candles, best of both worlds, which I love both. So this was a great product that I picked up for myself, but it's also great to give to someone who loves these type of things. So you guys, this is the last item I'll be showing you guys. This item is amazing. I've already given out like 4 or 5 of these to my relatives and my friends for like birthdays, Christmas, and other holidays. As you can see, I use it so much. Even though I have the big vanity mirror, this one kind of focuses a lot on your skin, especially, let me open it. whoa, you get like a tan. Okay, as you can see, it does turn on. Why doesn't it turn on? Okay, there you go. So I don't want to blind you, but it does turn on, and it has two sides here, one side here, and then the big one, and it just is amazing. And it comes with the batteries. As you can see, I've used it so much that I've already lost the back part, but this was one of the gifts that George got for me, and I noticed how much I use it, and I know how much other people are gonna use, especially with the people I've already given it to. They have told me that they use it every day, that they even, like, one of them even shattered because they broke it, and it's just an amazing gift. So think about it, it's amazing. And also, you can always combine something like this with like a palette. That would be the best. Especially this was like $20 on Amazon, and it was really nice to have it. And although I have the big one, I still use this to focus on my eyebrows and eyelashes, and yeah. So keep an eye on these. I got it on Amazon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed anything that you did see. And I hope you all have a great and fabulous week, and happy holidays. Bye guys.